How to buy crypto on Metamask using bank. So for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and open your Metamask right here, and then you're just going to hit the buy and sell option in here. After clicking that one, you should be redirected to your Metamask portfolio. So this is what we want right here. And then we're just going to wait for this one to load, just like so. And now from this point forward, go ahead and click this one and make sure you're using the right account in case you have more than one here. After which, go ahead and click this one as well, and then you're going to select the country. Once you have selected a country, you can go ahead and start inputting the amount here. Say, for example, we're going to buy about $200 worth. And then down below, you have the token. So for the token, you can go ahead and try to select different tokens in here. Just make sure that you are using the right one. So say, for example, I'm going to go with Ethereum. It's one of the biggest. You can go ahead and click the debit or credit here. And then you have here instant ACH bank transfer, which is again instant. And then you also have the highest buy limit. So if I'm going to click this one right here, click continue, you should be able to see here different options. So again, what you're going to do here is just basically select the best bang for your buck. So there are different options here. I just want you to go ahead and choose which one. So say, for example, the best bang for a buck here is this one by Stripe. I'm just going to go ahead and click this and click continue with Stripe. So if I'm going to do that one, we should be redirected in this particular site in here. So what we are going to do is just basically confirm the transaction, including the fees here. And once everything is okay, you can just go ahead and click continue. Now there is a verification needed for this one, such as putting your personal data, and you should be able to transfer an amount in order for you to continue or buy this transaction. So yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done. Just go ahead and follow the prompt and you should be good.